Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Eto de bia na Ghana ensemi to me sema usre obeka say na edeni. Now answer na NDC for be launch wo manifesto wendra no. Most of us we knew what was coming because na ya tete nsem anankrofo eka say say bc especially one of the things Okada NDC for kan omoba wo mbe legalize Okada teze yet nsem bebre na Okada nsem no ekokoye nsem bebre ma wan hwe ni ye a na as a politics aba bebre because immediately in a NPP for a mountain defense against that particular thing from NDC say Okada ni dey say nanso wandra NDC for be release wo manifesto no wo mo de ntremu aba na I don't know ntremu no eno na da screen so ye be ready na ya hwe people are just watching on the face value and you see one thing that's very funny in this country NDC for ka say wo mo be ye Okada no Okada businessmen wo mo oni Okada wo mo twi Okada say wo mo fa Okada ni na no na wo mo ni age Okada for association wo mo kasae wo mo ni age say we be legalize dia e be yende because police for AG sika why because it is illegal inti police ni hia me wo krompe wo gi Okada for ni sika ni na inti no mo ni age say ye be den ye be legalize but akwa ye say wo mo tenchen especially Ghana for wa broche and bakui one Okada ne kra one father two enyo obi a wo be for Okada one nyo Okada business so wo mostly wo mo kaseti asa Okada business yi akwa say those who are involved in the business like the idea of the legalization but those who are not involved and etinechi and nansen ya mehwe nkrofo the videos of Okada accidents enya Ghana ha say crowd Okada accident see ye ewo India ne nkro embrofofo kuro so ena nkrofo post ni na propaganda na won media ya meka ne say wo ba na obe posti Okada accident na wasan so posti car accidents because you want to tell us say accident na Okada na enya no eno hunti ena wo posti video no ntima legalize cars nso nya accident because enyo Okada pe iti cars na eno nso nya accident na we posti cars nso a enya accident na eni ehu say okay cars nso nya accident iti me fa car uya na wasan so ko posti airplane so accident wo ga na ni na wa abrochi no airplane e na fa na de kwa abrochi ho nanso say airplane nya accident o nanso e bia wo kwa abrochi no we posti airplane accident bia you see I just want you to understand the whole Okada thing from the point view of Obia Wochi Okada no. I just want you to understand things from that particular point. Hey, me wa down fubi. He's a Muslim guy. He's an oye delivery guy. Onyo Okada oye delivery guy. Okada me say me pa me mpe Okada ba ko mano. Like I should mpe Okada and man won't find your business every single day obetia me 40 cedis every single day or see obetia me 40 cedis he owns a delivery company yes am moto yi and I'm bizanze Okada na you saying or see Okada na there 5,000 cedis ka obenya and I'm say and they cool and I say ane every single day 40 cedis akwa say taxi and the taxis be wo single day will make it sales 50 cedis. Me see, so Okada dey way. It was wrong. I'll tell you the truth. It was wrong for MPP to attack this whole Okada thing. Nemini feel say nanka they should have been smart in the sense NDC for years say won be Okada na. Now so about bontia be ka say ye kra enam kwan so ye pese ye de dada. NDC for wie fi mo ho. But once you are attacking this whole Okada thing, showing videos, what you are doing is say the people taking Okada, The people and the Okada riders doors in Ghana, the people riding Okada, you are making these enemies for yourself. Omo kasa be hu say, "Hey, say na mo kasa tia Okada, endie mo pay asem." Now, you see, most of the reasons why Nankrofo kasa tia Okada ne kra ne say, people just saw it on the face value. And now I'm coming to the point right in front of you. People just saw it on the face value. Say, oh, say Okada ne die. Say ni pa ko ni twi no pe. Inter no de accident ni be shemu. But NDC for and mebo mo abaso, this is a very strategic political move. Omo akwa tenase. At the 7 ways Okada no ebe generating income for a lot of people. And then they find the rippling effect. Because people were thinking, say, oh, Okada, so they were attacking the accident side. But NDC for Akwa 6 other ways of generating we are. And no, the accidents assembly be shemwa. In Chaye. Internameka said they were very smart with this Okada thing. The first one, as you are seeing right in front of you, was the shops for bike and accessory sales. One said, Senya Okada no, woman see won't legalize no. She said, "Nkrofo be your margin say they will go into the business if it is legalized. It will be our ton moto. Ne juma ebe den ebe koso. And now businessman be better na say aka say, eh, sisi ade ye be legalize Okada. Ene ma menye business. Na menkra motos enfri abrochimbra na membeton." That is another way of generating income from sa Okada side no. But once the people were just attacking Okada, the riding, they weren't thinking of Omwa Ebia, Womube be accessory shop. Because yes, motors, shops, Ghana has say our motors. But see legalize Okada now, more shops will be opened, more people will be employed. So that is one side people were not looking at. The second side, import duties in government revenue. Okada diewe aban besan so anya sika because si ye kra Okada efri abrochire abagana. Import duties. Because edu porter e will say wutia duty. And you see abaya ya na say commercial vehicles will be duty free so. Into duty no, say Okada they still they will maintain the duty on the motors. Into import duties no, this same Okada business ama Nkrofo aircraft Okada bagana no. Esanso edisika ebekwa koma aban. That's the second way government will even get money. It's a said the life cycle, economic life cycle of Okada. The third one, daily return sales to owners. Just like the example I gave you. Some are down for no. Wakata me say, oh, me yana minto Okada bakomano because he owns Onokrosioko School or Wisconsin University or then. And now Osioko School here, it is here. I see Ejuma here. Say we be delivery agency. And also land agent. Also a house rent agent. It was in Juma when as here away. And now all can say Okada no mentor bakomano na every day sika obema menini 40 cedis. Inti sika no once in a week na 7 days. Inti was say 5 days be media no for 2 days. Inti way and NDC phone so can say aside everything no will be at to say me ebia me to Okada ne mani pakro na I'll be getting daily sales. So woje 40 cedis every day for 5 days. Say no 200 cedis for a week. 200 times 4 ebe ma osika obenya for a month, which is about 800 cedis. Until let Okada fans out on the 5,000 cedis in exactly a year or in less than a year. Oka. That is if everything remains constant, maintenance in Yaman be one. Oka. but I branch we can me dia me work as a me farmer na wo be ma me say asika no a day no we see maintenance on no abefa. It is the third point from the whole Okada thing. The fourth point was see income to operators and mechanics. And people didn't think of that because Okada is legalized here. Okada ne say ya send your mechanics say branch and say we be taking maintenance no. Okada ne say ya what the papa come fiteni nso when ya sika every Okada nim. That's the fourth point. The fifth point income to governments through licensing and regulation. Akwa say me kra me car every single year. Abanya kakra fi me ho because ebia me kwa renew me papers, insurance bi meye. It is anyama ni na ya ade bia. Nti Okada ya ye ken the same Okada, 2 revenue streams for government in kwanu no. Sixth point ease of doing local business. Nkwafu bebre wa madam for bi Okada fa pa. Me say personally won. Me ntina Okada so. Personally me mfa Okada. I've never sat on Okada before. Matina moto scooter echida and metina echika the way I felt na mempe because I felt very helpless. As someone know me trim say hey say moto e kobo from sisi a mewu and it was very now speed pan I don't want to be in that situation. Into me personally I will not take Okada. But me wa down for bia won no de wo fa ni Okada because and man ye was school no na wo twi moto. He's used to it, he's used to the environment, he knows Okada. And Omoka ease of doing local business. Some madam for no won't do traffic muda because they be offer Okada. Fast delivery. And the last point, a possible revenue for a bike manufacturing plant. It's a possible krana edumanity intimwa. Ghana krano. You bet to me about the C company, ha company no, and ebe yo Okada no. So what I'm saying, you might not like the Okada deal or the Okada thing because of politics. It is okay. But what I'm saying is the NDC has been very smart with this Okada move.